Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 5 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Phone section. Now tap on device name under Basic Info and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, Sunny. Now to discard your changes, click on Cancel, and to save them, click on OK. If you decided to save them, you need to tap on OK as well in device name pop-up about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my Sony has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!